Our tour guide, Hannah, was amazing. We have been on many tours in Europe and this was our absolute favorite. We got to taste so many delicious foods and enjoy the fun stories throughout the time at a leisurely pace. She took us on a route to the Sacré-Cœur that was manageable and didn't feel like you were going uphill the entire time. We were full by the end of the tour and felt like we were friends with the whole group because she didn't rush us and allowed us to enjoy ourselves and the views. It was a great way to get acclimated to the Montmartre area that we will be staying in for the week. Cheese, pastries, sweets, crepes, and so much more. She was also great to offer alternative options if we didn't want the original option. Fabulous tour of the food, treats, wine and more along with history and local insights of Montmartre. Hannah had so much knowledge of where to get the best of everything and shared her favorites with us. She pointed out so many cool things like Picasso's studio and the only vineyard in Paris. This tour was pricey but worth every penny. We had so much food and drink we felt full by the end. Highly recommend this tour and the Curious Collective. Hannah is the most delightful host and guide as she weaves us through the charming Montmartre neighborhood. Her knowledge and stories made us feel like insiders to the history and characters of the area, and the gastro delights along the way provided an even deeper appreciation for this special part of Paris. We can't recommend Hannah and this walking tour enough. We had a wonderful time with Hannah today. We felt like we toured Montmartre with a family friend who also was an expert on the local history. All the treats were amazing and we felt like locals by the end. The small intimate group allowed for great conversations about Paris, Montmartre and life. Definitely request Hannah if you can. Loved this tour. Hannah was fantastic and we had such a lovely time. All the spots she took us to were delicious. Highly recommend. We will definitely be booking more Curiosity Collective tours for future Paris trips. Hannah was amazing. Her knowledge and passion for the area were evident and the amount and quality of food was great. Favorite was the bakery with the nest pastries. My tour with Hannah was a highlight of my trip. Lovely insights and she does her research. Wonderful seeing her passion for Montmartre and people. Would recommend.